This video is to help educate the Kansas public on traffic laws and answering general questions that they may have. A lot of people come into my office with a suspended driver's license and not know why it's suspended. The Kansas Department of Revenue actually has a pretty easy to use website that allows people to find out how their license is suspended and where it may be suspended from. In this video, I will tell you how to use that website to find the status of your driver's license. You will need internet access and your Kansas driver's license. You'll need to Google Kansas driver's license status check and click on the first link. It will take you to a Kansas Department of Revenue website. This website will have 4 boxes for pertinent information. You will need to fill in your Kansas driver's license number, your first and last name, and your date of birth. Remember to put these in exactly how it is on your driver's license, or it will not work. Once you submit this form, it will take you to another screen. About halfway down this screen, you will see the status of your driver's license. After submitting this information, a different screen will pop up. About halfway down this page, you will see driver's license status. If it says valid, your license is valid. If your license is not valid, it will say something along the lines of restricted, revoked, or suspended, or something of that like. If your license is revoked or suspended, usually there is a table of sorts below it on the page with information that will show your previous convictions, where you were convicted, and what you were convicted of. You will be able to call the courthouse with a number listed in this table in order to contact them to find out why your license is suspended and what you can do to fix it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to give me a call at 913-451-9500.